Okay, hello everybody. This is Isaac. I want to teach you how you can read Kinyarwanda and understand newspaper like Igihe. So, if you want to read like online newspaper like this one, so I will try to give you some explanation on how you can start reading newspaper. So, first of all, let us see all these titles. First titles is saying Bener yashize ku isoko impapuro mpeshamwenda za miliyari 20. So, Bener, that is an acronym actually. BNR, that is acronyms like in French or in English. So that is Bener. So that's the National Bank, Rwanda National Bank. Yashize. So that is one of the verb you should also emphasize in the write down. So write on your paper yashize, yashize. So this is coming from the verb called gushira, gushira, gushira. Donc yashize, gushira. It means to do something. Okay, to do something or to put something or to it can be putting something on doing something. Okay, so ku isoko. Okay, ku isoko, on the market. Isoko, that is market. That is very important. One of the word you should know, because if you travel to Rwanda and then you go to the market, so market is isoko, isoko. Alors, and impapuro, impapuro, that is papers, impapuro. You see, papuro, papers, impapuro. This I think is coming from foreign language like paper, like English or French. Impapuro, impapuro. Donc it's impapuro. That is papers. Mesha mwenda. So if you want to understand this phrase, you should cut it in two. You see, there is mesha mwenda. Many of the words in Kinyarwanda, they are long phrases, but if you want to understand them, you have to divide them, to cut them into kind of two. So pesha, mesha, you cut it, and then you see mwenda, mesha mwenda. So if you want to say it, mesha mwenda. So the Rwanda National Bank has put the market papers, or papers can be financial papers, mpesha mwenda. So that is a paper that is bonds, kind of paper that is business papers. Za miliyari, miliyari is billion, actually, billions. Okay, that is coming from French, because billion in French is milliard. Yeah, actually, milliard, milliari, milliard. That means billions. Okay, 20,000 Rwandese franc of billion that has been put to the market. Okay, so let me repeat it again now. BNR, National Rwanda Bank, or One Banque Nationale du Rwanda. That's coming from French, actually, because see, Rwanda used to be French, so now is BNR, is Banque Nationale du Rwanda. Yashize, so has put ku isoko, to the market, impapuro, papers, mpesha mwenda. So the papers that gives you money. Okay, so if you take them like they owe you something, so that is commercial papers of 20 billions of Rwandese Rwanda franc. Okay, French kind of money of Rwanda. So that is one of the sentences we learned today. Please, I want you to copy this phrase. Okay, if you are really serious of learning Kinyarwanda, copy this phrase and repeat it like every day, and subscribe to this video. And next time when we come, Okay, put it in the comment as a chat, and also tell me if you want me to repeat this one. Also keep on listening this video, and you see that next time when you see isoko, then you know it's a market. When you see impapuro, you know it is a papers. When you see yashize gushira is to put, and mpesha mwenda, this is not really a used word, but something. But mwenda, umwenda, actually umwenda, it is a debt. Okay, so if you owe somebody, you say mfite umwenda. So umwenda, it can be also umwenda, that's different. I will tell you the difference between mwenda and umwenda. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day, and please subscribe, and don't forget to like this video if you like it, and put comments on this video on how I can improve this video. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.